So
This conference will now be recorded.
from my point of view, I explain the 2 points. So for APSDC, the government organization, it is providing the for the student point of view what they need. For example, what is the use of studying? So what is the use of studying either BTech or MTech or any other graduation? What is the use of any graduation or any studying purpose? Why you are learning or why you are studying the any other graduations? To do job. Yes, very good. I got the one answer. Any other answers? What is the your main motto of studying the any graduation or any degree? Improve knowledge, skills, good job purpose. Yes. Any other answers? To help society develop a technology to get knowledge to serve the nation. Okay. Job purpose to work in the technical work, understanding and improving the technology. So previously in the in the first 1990 or on the time, you don't have any don't need any technology or any other technical words. But coming to the now, if you want to serve in society, you need to know the something knowledge on technology. So that is maybe anything. For example, if you want to use the debit card or credit card in the present time. So first in 2 days back, RBI launched the new rules of the credit card and debit card. So when they provide the either debit card or credit card means whenever you know the something knowledge. So whenever you capable of taking the cash from the ATM or then only they provided the ATM to the customer. So that is the rule provided by the RBI. So like that, so if you want to serve in the society, we need to know the something basic knowledge. So that is the main point. Coming to the every life has need to get the money. You need to get the money. So that is the another point why you need to learn or studying the any other things. So whenever you learn the any other, we need to get jobs or any startup companies or any, sorry, if you want to establish or any new industries, you all are know about these technologies. So that's why we are studying. So for that, so for improving your knowledge, for improving your knowledge purpose, we are conducting the different types of workshops. So one person or some persons, why you are studying means they want to improve the knowledge. So improving knowledge purpose, we are conducting the different types of workshops or webinars or different types of categories of the workshops. Next one is the jobs. We are providing the some job mailers related to the some departments. For example, if you take the AC or something CSE, we are based on that their knowledge. We are providing the something uh, jobs to the particular students. So anyone want to go to the new industries or any new startups? So we are providing or we supported to the that particular point of peoples. So these are the main motto of our APSDC organization. This is about small introduction about the APSDC. Coming to the our workshop, we need to follow the some rules and regulations of the daily. So How many days of our workshop? How many days our workshop? Yes, totally 9 days of our section. So from today onwards to 9 to 10 days. Okay, 9 to 10 days. Maximum we are try to complete in the schedule. So what we provided to you, so that will maximum on that time we will try to complete all the syllabus what we mentioned in that particular syllabus. So by October 14th, this workshop will be closed. That is the first one. Next, coming to there are totally 290 students are there for this batch. For this workshop, totally 294 or 250 something plus students are available. So for providing the 290 students, one student by one student, it is very difficult to us. For the 250 members, providing the attendance is very difficult to us. So that's why we wrote the one program for the providing the attendance. So if I want to provide attendance to you, so please rename if your name with the roll number, name, college name. So this is the mandatory form to give in the GoToMeeting username. Roll number, name and college name. So whenever you provided the username like that, roll number, name, college name. So based on this, our program will take the roll number, name, college name from your username and it provided the attendance automatically. If you change the any other format, it won't accept. So try to understand our problem and make sure that all of you try to give the username as roll number, name and college name. So this is the one instruction from my side and how to change. So whenever you log in, after login, how to change means, so whenever you log in our GoToMeeting, whenever you log in our laptop, so in the top corner, in the top left side corner, it shows the GoToMeeting. So whenever you click on this, okay, I will try to take the marker. Yes, whenever you click on this arrow symbol, then you can get some options. First option is the edit your details. So click on edit your details and change your name. For example, if you log in your mobile, then if you go to the attendance in the top corner, if you observe the one head symbol or one boy symbol like that. So if you click on that attendance symbol, then you can observe all the attendance who are attended for the GoToMeeting on that sheet. So on that you observe your name. So click on your three icons, then you can observe the edit your info option. So this is for who are attended from the mobile. So this is the option. Next one is the whenever you will try to attend the GoToMeeting, then it before joining into the meeting, it asking the enter your name. So enter your name and I am ready to start. So these are the three ways to rename your name. So please try to rename your name as the given format. So that is the one instruction from my side. Next one. So we will provide the total materials. What are the discussed topics in our classes? and the any other materials we have totally provided in the GitHub link. So I am posting the link in chat box. I am posting the link in chat box. Please see it. So GitHub link, I think all of you know about the GitHub link. So I am trying to opening the GitHub link. So this is the GitHub. GitHub is the one of the open source software of the version control. Version control means, for example, if you take the any mobile, there are the different types of operating systems in the mobile or laptop or different other softwares. So like that only in the GoToMeeting, sorry, in the GitHub, it stores in the versions control. It store in the version by version. So that is the users of GitHub. And in the GitHub, we can store the any type of the either code or either materials, or you can store anything in the GitHub. So that is the main use of GitHub. So that's why we are providing the all the materials and the videos, and all are provided in the given link, in the given GitHub link. Voice is very low. Okay. Yes, I increase the voice also, no problem. So that's it about. And if you open that link, come down. So if here you can observe the check your details here. Same will be applicable on certificates. So whenever we need, whenever before the joining into the meeting, you register into the APSDC form or website. So in that, what are you mention the details, all are copied in the G sheet. G sheet. So these are the your details. These are the your details. So once go to the your G sheet and check the any modification you need. So in the registration, you did any mistake. So try to change the your details in 2 days. So if you don't, if you want, yeah, Anantapur, like that only. Any, if you have any mistakes in the your rule number, college name, or your name, so any modifications you need to. So try to mention the what you need to change here. So for example, here my rule number is, actually my rule number is 17691A04N9. So in the replace of M, I put the N. So like that, you mention the modifications here. In the modifications, you can write the what you want to modify in the given details. So if you want, not audible, not audible, can you please respond in chat box? Yeah, clear. Once please check in our side. Yeah, okay, good. So try to change, if you don't have any mistakes, if you don't have any mistakes, try to mention the no. So then we can understand that. So particular student, so observe the their details and updated like that. So then I can understand the what your any modifications, or you need to mention no. So that particular student don't want to change any details. So that is the one thing. Yes, another one. Next one, go to meeting link. For example, you don't know the go to meeting link. You don't know the go to meeting link. So then go open the GitHub link and click here to join. Whenever you click on the click here to join, then it automatically join into the meeting. So that is the provided here in the GitHub. So coming to the this ML data set. So I will explain the later, no problem. KP is this, so I will explain, and a few resources available. So in the resources.md, we provided the machine learning. Once go to the resources.md and check the details. Voice breaking. Oh, sorry. Okay, next one is these are the some instructions. Already I told what is the login format, all these things. Next I will explain the what are the remaining. I will explain later. So that is about the GitHub link. So in the GitHub link, so here I will mention in the GitHub, we can see all the materials. What is the use of GitHub? We provided the all the materials for you need to see in the classes or any other video recording videos. All are provided in the GitHub. So that is the use of GitHub. Next one. Any other need to? Okay, fine. So this is about the GitHub. So Raghu, please, this is the your question answer. So what are the materials available? All are these. So in the GitHub, we are providing the all the videos and Jupyter Notebook. All the remaining what are you discussed in the we will discuss in the class. All are updated in the GitHub every day. Yes, this is about the GitHub link. Next, coming to the attendance purpose. Next, coming to the attendance. So, what is the time period of our class? What is the time period of our class? So, 3 hours. Yes, very good. 3 hours. 3 hours. In the 3 hours, or 4 to 6:30. So, this is the class hours. So, that means totally to 150 minutes. So must and should all of you at least 120 minutes. At least 120 minutes. So if you have any network issue or any other problems, please try to inform to the our any team of our members. So before going to, I will who are our team. So Anil sir and Madhav ma'am and myself Ranganayakulu. These are the 3 members to teach the machine learning using Python of the 9 days workshop. So myself Ranganayakulu and Anil sir is the next person and Madhav ma'am. So these are the 3 members of our team. Voice is breaking. Yes, is it correct? My voice is breaking. Okay. So you must. No, sir, it's clear. Okay. So you need to attend the at least 120 minutes. So if you have any problem, try to inform to the any my team our team of the members either Anil sir or Madhav ma'am or me. So you can, yes, we will update the every evening or next day morning. We will try to update the every, for example, today our section is completed at the 7 o'clock. So we will try to update by today evening or next day morning. Next day morning itself, we will update the videos and all the remaining data sets or any notebooks or any materials related to that. We will update it by the daily by daily. In the same link, you can mention the all the, you can see the all the videos. So that is the one instruction. And after that, 6:30 to 6:30 to 7 o'clock. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the that period. Doubts time. You can ask the any doubts in the 6:30 to 7:30. Or otherwise, if you have any other doubts after the class, you can post in the Slack channel. You can post in the Slack channel. So we will provide the Slack channel in the, yes, Slack channel. So in the Slack channel, if you have any doubts after the class, you can post in the Slack channel. So what is the Slack channel and what is the use of Slack channel means? So if you want, I want to create the WhatsApp group, then I need to know the all the 250 or 300 student mobile numbers, and I try to add, or I need to create one group. And after the completion of this workshop, I don't want to use the that WhatsApp group. It is very difficult to maintain the WhatsApp group of all the students and every batch. So it is very difficult to us. So that's why we created the one Slack chat channel. So this is also the communication purpose. If you have any doubts, you can post the doubts in this Slack channel. So that is the one of the communication channel. So this is about the instructions and some sources from my side. I think it is clear. Yes. Yes. Coming to the next one. Yes, good. Yes, next coming to the pre-requirements. So if you want to learn the machine learning, we need to know the must and should know the NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn libraries. So I think all of you all of you have knowledge on NumPy, Pandas, Matplot, and Seaborn. So if you don't know about these packages, please try to attend the data analysis workshop. First go into the machine learning. Please try to attend the data analysis workshop. In the data analysis workshop, so we are providing the in this particular workshop we will discuss about the NumPy, Pandas, Matplot, and Seaborn in depthly. And Python is also mandatory. I think all of you know about that one, Python. So anyone don't know about these packages? Anyone available in this team? I don't know, sir. Okay. So my suggestion is try to attend in the data analysis workshop. So after completion of the data analysis workshop, so try to attend the machine learning workshops. So that is the my suggestion. So in the G sheet, if you observe the previously I provided the G sheet. So go to the G sheet and mention your name. Okay, I will show again. So I posted the one GitHub link in the chat box. So open the G sheet provided in the GitHub. So in the last we provided the another sheet. So that is the training change. That is the training change. So if you want to change to another any other workshop, that means data analysis workshop. So try to mention the your district, roll number and college name, email number. So after mentioning the your details, we will send the confirmation mail to your mail IDs and you can change to another workshop. So that is the another options we provided to you. Yes, a brief version of libraries will be helpful. Yes, we will try to in the machine learning, we will try to explain the each and every one. But if you don't have any that much of if you with some knowledge also, it is very important. If you don't know that particular about NumPy or Pandas or Matplotlib, Seaborn, it is very difficult to us to explain from each and everyone. If we have some knowledge, then we can improve your knowledge. So that is the no problem in that point. So that is about, yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, the main libraries are the NumPy, Pandas, and the Matplotlib library and the Seaborn we will explain in the programming point of view, and after that you can improve your knowledge. Pandas is the main important, Pandas and NumPy. Yeah, no problem. MB Chaudhary, you can proceed in the machine learning. Yes, good. So this is about the our condition, our some instructions and what are the sources available for this workshop. So I think it is clear. So please, if we join data analysis, no, then again when you learn machine. Yeah, by October 14, this batch is completed. So after this batch, you can join into the next batch. Otherwise, before completing this workshop, any other batch is starting, you can join into the batch also. No issue. Okay, once again, send the GitHub link. Okay, I posted the link in chat box again. Okay, Seaborn. So Matplotlib and Seaborn, you have some knowledge only better. So you don't need more knowledge, but try to understand some knowledge. Not enough. Python is not enough, and we must and should know about these libraries, NumPy and Pandas. These are the main important. After that, Matplotlib and Seaborn, we need to know some knowledge. If you don't know about the NumPy, Pandas, so please try to attend the data analysis workshops before attending the machine learning workshop. Python is not enough. So in the Python also we need you need to know about the NumPy, Pandas. That is main important, and Matplotlib library and Seaborn also you need to know some knowledge. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, next come back to our way to change the training details. Yes. So I provided the GitHub link in chat box. I provided the GitHub link in chat box. Click on that GitHub link and in that if you come down or up, that available is G Sheet is available in our GitHub, and click on G Sheet, and in that training change another sheet is available. So if you observe here, training change for data analysis training, that sheet is available. So go to that sheet and fill your details. Okay, exam will be conducted on the last day of this machine learning workshop, or next day of the after completion of this workshop. So October 14th is the last day of this workshop. So we will try to conduct the exam on October 14th, or if not possible, we will try to conduct it on October 15th morning, or any time we will mention it, no problem. Yes. Is there any other doubts? Link we need. Okay. So I posted the GitHub link again. Hello. Hello. చెప్పు. ఓకే వస్తున్నాను. Okay, exam maximum all are MCA questions only. Don't have any programming point of view. After data analysis, how to apply for the machine learning? Is there any short way to or need to apply in APGC? So you need to follow the same procedure because in the number of students we don't remember your name. So that's why please try to apply in the same link what you process before going to the machine learning. Same procedure we need to follow. Yeah, presently today onwards machine learning data analysis already started. So if you mention the data in the sheet, you will provide the link by today evening or next day morning. So from tomorrow onwards, you can join into the data analysis workshop. So try to inform to your mail IDs, and please check your mail IDs. Yes, okay. Yes, any other doubts? Yeah, okay. Good. Next, come back to our section. Yeah, shall I go to our original section? Shall I start our original section? Yes, good. What about others? Is Subhashni, Shant Reddy, Arvind, good. Yes, good. Okay. Okay. Next question is, how many days when you need to attend? Means totally 9 days. Minimum we need to attend the 7 days. So then you can attend the 7 or more days, then you can get the certificate. We must and should attend the at least 7 days. Okay, good. Next, need to follow focus on our today agenda and today completion. Next. So there are, okay.
Hello.
Some there are group. Hello. Anyone
Sir, wait
having
1
any
minute.
doubt? Yeah, Anil.
I am sir. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
My voice is clear, sir.
yeah, clear, Anil.
I hope the prerequisites are clear to everyone. The main prerequisites are Python, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Okay. So we are observing more than 20 students have been updating their details for training change. So if you're familiar with NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, means you can continue for this machine learning training program. Okay. If you are not at least familiar with NumPy, Pandas, or Matplotlib, means it is better to change your training from machine learning to data analysis. The main prerequisites are Python programming, familiarity with NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib packages, because those packages are widely used in this 9-day session. So you should be familiar. If you are not at least familiar those things, means then only you update our details in the training change column. Okay, because more than 20 students are updating. So be clear, you can't attend both the sessions at a time. You can attend any one of the session only. Okay, if you attend both the sessions, means we will cancel both the we will cancel our details in the both the sessions. So be clear and be only for, not for certificate, only for learning purpose. Okay, so it will be like 9 days journey. We will be 9 days journey. If you are not familiar with those prerequisites, it's better to go for that, then start your journey in the machine learning. Okay, so remember those 2 points. If you are familiar with those 3 packages, means you can continue. Also, if you have learned those 3 packages like long ago, we have added few resources. You can remember, you can revise those resources and you can continue the training session. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, be clear and be confident. All the best.
Yes, very good.
Thank you, sir. You can continue.
Yeah, okay. So who know the some knowledge here on Python, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib with some part, then you can continue in the machine learning. If you don't know, zero knowledge on this or 5% on this knowledge, please try to join into the data analysis workshops. So that is the key point of the what sir explained. Yes, good. Next, coming to the section. So there are totally some student or some group of students are going to the some tour or any other places. So in the train journey, one student or one person see the some trees of the beside of the track. So some student or one student see the some trees or some something about on the right side or left side of the track. So what are these images related to? So what is the first image? What is the image trees? Or what is the first image related to? Voice is breaking. So what about remaining? Breaking. Oh. Breaking. Okay, good. So I think it is clear. Okay, it is related to the paddy crop. So otherwise rice. So one person asked, so it is what is this trees or what which is related to which trees? So one person asked to the group. So in that group, one person said that so this is related to the paddy crop. So one person replied to the paddy crop. So how that person know about the these trees? So one person replied to that person is this is related to the paddy crop. How that person know about the this particular tree paddy crop? Why is breaking? I think my side is clear. Net also fine. Yeah, my side is clear. Once please check once. So previous knowledge. So by looking at it, okay. Any other answers? How that particular is say the person know about this is related to the, or how can that this is related to the pedigraph? Previous knowledge. Okay, good one. By looking at it. Okay, the nice. Any other answers? By knowing its properties. Okay, very good. And regularly we use it. Okay, nice. Yes, any other answers? Any other answers? Okay, good. He knows about the it previously. Okay, knowing it before and feeling the picture in the brain. Yes, observation. Okay, good. Yes, all your answers is correct. So previously he saw the is because he trained your brain like that. Okay, good. So previously he saw that crop and he observed that. So if the length of the tree or length of the leaf or like that, he imagine that if the related to if the particular values related to like that, so then it is called as pedicrop. So whenever you go to the next image, so if the tree is like that and the leaves are the length of the leaves is 2 centimeters 5 centimeter like that, and if the image is like that, so then you can observe the, so this is related to the mango tree. So here what you need to think is, so all the values or all the any observation by using the data only. Yes, imagination. So previously they that particular person saw that particular trees and they observed that all the properties of the trees or any other crop or like that. So they observe all the data related to that particular tree and they can say that so this is particular to the pedigree pedigraph or mango tree like that. So your main observation or main source is the data. Data is the main source. So in the 2019 and 20, the data is going away, increasing the data. So how the increasing the data? So this is the another image related to the is it apple trees? Yes, it is related to the banana trees. So how can I do? So for the banana trees, so the leaf length is the high and also breadth is the high. So like that. So in the our brain, it automatically whenever you see that image, it automatically calculate, see the and compare the previous trees and now the present trees, and it automatically say that it is related to the banana trees. So like that, based on the data, it says the or it calculate the our originalities. Next, data. Coming to the what is the important of data? Why you are going to the data? So what are the ways to get the data and how the data is increasing? So how many ways of data is available? In now presently we have different ways to transfer the data or getting the data. So how many ways our data is available? how many ways our data is available. Okay. Different ways by user need 2 ways text number. Okay. So if you take the one example of the WhatsApp. So in the WhatsApp, so what you transfer the data or send the data one person to another person. Okay, images, videos, text, numbers, digits, like that we have different types of data transferring from one person to another person, text and multimedia. So if you observe the WhatsApp, in the present days, for the one person daily they are using the 1 GB, minimum 1 GB of data daily for any purpose. They are for every person in the world, they are using 1 GB of data daily. So one person using 1 GB of data means there are lot of members or a lot of people available in the world. So in the if you observe the 1 GB of data for one student, one person, so 1 crore of the student means they increase the data. So now presently world is running based on the our data only. For example, if you go to the any shop, any shopping mall or any other shopping malls, they asking about the your mobile number. Why they are asking for your mobile number? What is the use of your mobile number for that particular person or any shop? You observe the any difference? Yes. What is the use of mobile number? They are asking. Yes, further communication. Okay. To advertise, good. Advertising. To promote sales, advertisements. Yes, good. Advertisements and to promote schools. For example, one person is there. One person is, yes, by sending the offers and the list of items we will buy. Yes, good. So all are correct. Coming to the part, I will try to explain the one point. For example, if you are buying the you are going to the shopping mall by the every month ending. For example, I am getting the salary on to first or second. So after getting the my salary, I am shopping at every month of the fifth day. I am shopping the every month. So if I missed the 1 month, then we can must and should get the offers and something sales are available in that particular shopping mall. Definitely we can get the that particular message. Yes, is it observed anyone? Or otherwise, if you shop any festivals, if you shop if you shop the particular at festival time, then after getting the another festival, then you can must and should get the that particular message. So 50% after offer on that particular item or on that particular thing, like that you can must and should get the particular message. So what is the use means? So that is the use of data in the world. So based on the data, they are improving or they are increasing their sales and improving their activities. That is the use of data in the present days. Next one. So we are conducting the different types of workshops. After completion of the workshop, we are taking the feedback or exam like that. What is the use? What is the use of feedback? What is the use of feedback? Why they are taking the anyone taking the feedback? Improving the section to improve the performance, acknowledgement to improve the themselves. Yes, very good. So for for reducing their mistakes to know the drawbacks. Yes, very good. So for improving their capabilities or sections, are they improving what are the drawbacks or what are the improves, like that based on your data what you provided to our organization. So we are improving a drawback, or we are offering something something new technologies to the different students. So first, for example, some students are asking that, so we need to we are asking that, so please do provided the workshops on AI, artificial intelligence. So then we are trying to improve our technologies for the students. So like that, so every person or everyone or every industry or every another company are preferring they based on the data for improving their capabilities or their performance. That is the most important in the present communication or present data usage. Next type of data. If you observe the previously, if you take the WhatsApp, we are sending the text data, images data, and different other tables data or PNG format images. There are different data we are sending from one student to another student, or one person to another person. So in the how many types of data? So there are the totally three types of data is available. So one is the structured data, and another one is the unstructured data and semi-structured data. So there are the three types of data is available in the world. So what is the structured data? What is structured data? Anyone having any idea about the structured data? What is the structured data? Which is formed like table, forming with the rows and columns. Google Sheet. Yes, organized tabular form. Yes, very good. So the data which is organized in the rows and columns format, or organized in the one form or one format of the table, like that. So if the data is available in the one format, then we can call it as a structured data. So if you get the databases, in the data from the databases, so we are providing the data. So that is in the data, you need to fill the data. So serial number, student name, student roll number, and what is their email ID, mobile number, what is the interesting student courses. So like that, the data which is available in the database is, it has in the one structure format. So that is called as a structured data. So what is the difference between data and information? What is the difference between data and information? What is the difference between data and information? Information is unorganized form of data. Okay, data, raw facts. Okay, unorganized is the data and organized is the information. Okay, good. Information means which is clear. Okay, information is the next format. The data is for storing. Information is the process data. Okay, information. Yes, very good. So information is that useful data is information. Yes, very good. So all the data is very useful. Yes, very good. So with the data which is in the formatted, or which is in the particular reason purpose, are collection of the information or collection of the data which is for the particular reason purpose in the organized format. So that is called as the information. For example, if you all are observing in the colleges, so this is to inform you that from the next Monday onwards we have semester exams. So this is the timetable for the conducting the exams. So that is the information. Because in that information we have schedule. This is related to all about the exam schedule. So in the exam schedule they were provided the schedule for what date, for what exam we are conducting, like that. So that is the information. So like cricket match schedule, yes, that is the one of example. So for the what date, for the the match between for what batches and another team, what is the team and another versus another team. So like that they provided the schedule like that. So which is that information which is formed as a one particular purpose and formed as a one organized format. Next one is the unstructured data. So unstructured data means that particular data don't have any order or any organized format. So that examples are the audios, videos, RDFs. So these are the some examples of the unstructured data. So that particular data don't have any order. So for that example, you can say that. So there are the different types of pupils are available. We are forming the one group. So in that particular group, some particular below 5 years kids are available, and 5 to 10 kids are available, and 10 to 50 are 50 to 80. So there are the different types of pupils are available. So that is not a order. So coming to the structured data, we are forming the structure like that. So 5 to 10 years people in the one group, and 5 to 15 years form as another group, and 15 to 25 form as a one group. So it is having the some format like that. So then you can call it as a structured data. So what is the semi-structured data? What is the semi-structured data? What is the semi-structured data? Okay, semi-structured data, it is it format as a something. So which is in the form of the file format. Yes, very file format. Okay, it is the which is the data which is having some format. It is following the some format of the rules and regulation. So then you can call it as a semi-structured. So in the name itself, we can say that semi-structured. It following the structured format of the something. Next one, we can call combination of both structure and non-structure. Yes, very good. In the one word, we can say that the combination of both structure and unstructured data. Unstructured data is called as the semi-structured data. Next one, data types. So there are the different types of data. So in that data, we have categorized into the two ways. One is the categorical data and numerical data. So this is the main important for our machine learning. We need to know the which is the data related to the categorical data and which is the data related to the numerical data. So by seeing the data set, we need to classify the data set. So that is the main important of the data types in the for the machine learning. So data types, one is the categorical data and another one is the numerical data. So what is the categorical data? What is the categorical data? Or you can tell them one example related to the categorical data. Okay, text format, which can be classified like mailers. Okay, good. Class labels. Okay. Any other answers? Yes, in the categorical, in the data types, we have categorical and numerical. In the categorical means we need to separate separate it into the different groups or different labels. You can call it as a labels or groups. You can call in the machine learning point of view, you are calling the labels. In the other general point of view, you are calling the groups. So categorical data, we already know the some categorized forms and we are separating into the categoricals. For example, we have the different types of peoples. Different types of peoples. How we can categorize the our peoples? How many ways to categorize the peoples? For example, in our section, there are the 60 students are available. I need to categorize the students. So what basis I can separate the students? So by their ages is name and ID. Okay, name. Okay, boys and girls and districts. Good. Branches based on their year and college, year of study. Yes, very nice. So these are the different ways or possibility of the categorizing the data. So I am saying that in the one section, 60 students are available. So based on their percentage, I want to categorize into 3 groups. Okay, intelligent student group and the average student group and the medium student group. So I can separate like that. So here average, medium and intelligence, these are already available the 3 categories. If you know the 3 categories only, then you can able to separate the or you can able to categorize the data. If you don't know that these categorical type, we can't separate the data. So first, if you want to categorize the data, we need to know the how many types of or how many labels are available to separate the particular data. So based on their study, either ECA department or CSE department or IT department. So like that, based on the department, we can separate it. Or based on their percentage, we can separate it. Or based on the gender, again male or female. There are the 2 categories if we consider the gender. So there, if you want to separate the data by using the gender, you need to know the so male and female. These are the 2 categories. So I need to categorize based on the gender. Like that, you can separate it. So coming to the in the categorical, again we have 2 categories. One is the nominal and one is the ordinal. What is the nominal categorical? What is the nominal categorical data type? What is the nominal categorical data type? Name based. Okay. Any other? Okay, no problem. It may correct or wrong. No issue. We are not considering that one, but we need to know the what is your thinking on particular word or after listening the particular word or what you have in the brain. Okay, good. Nominal and ordinal, there are the, okay, good. Yeah, no issue. Done. I will explain. Difference. Okay. Categorical and nominal and ordinal, these are the two ways of the categorical. Nominal means that particular categorical, after categorizing that particular data don't have any order. For example, I categorize the data based on the gender, male or female. So which is first, which is second? You can say that I separated the student based on their gender, male and female. So is there any order in the male and female? Is there any order in the male and female? No order. We can say any male or female. So if whenever our data don't have any order categorical data, then you can say that that particular categorical data related to the nominal categorical data. So next one is the ordinal categorical data. What is the ordinal data, categorical data? After separation or after categorizing the data, that particular data having the one order. For example, I categorize the students based on the first class, second class and third class. Here we have order. First one is the first order, second order, third is the third order. So which is the first? In the three categories, which is the first? First class is the first. So whenever our data in the category, if you find the which is the first or which is the second or which is the last, we can find out the order, then it called as a ordinal categorical data. So like that. So that is related to categorical, and yes, good. Next one is the numerical data. In that, first one is the interval. So any idea about the interval? Numerical data. So numerical data, so that is not a category. It is changing from one person to another person. Yes, range. Okay, good. Yes, interval is the range. For example, yes, sequence. This is the good one. Sequence. So if the data in the sequence order, then we can say that the particular data is the interval data. For example, time is this interval data or ratio data, or otherwise it is related to interval or not? Time is interval data or not? Yes. Okay. Yes. Good. So because in that time, yes, good. Thank you. Okay, in that time we are saying that particular interval. So from 6:30 to sorry, per 1 minute means 60 seconds. So that is the fixed. For example, I say that 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So that is the fixed interval we provided to the particular word. So like that. So that is under the interval data. So coming to the ratio. So ratio means area and something remaining length, breadth, height. These are related to the ratio data. So ratio data, this is not any particular interval data. So it is maybe length means it is starting from the 0. If you consider the areas also it is from the 0 to anyway based on their product we can change the our data. So like that ratio don't have any order but we are getting the continuous values. So that is related to the numerical interval and ratio data. Yes, is it clear? So that is the main point. So that's why I'm asking. Is it clear? What is the difference between categorical data and numerical data? Okay. Yeah. Can you please respond remaining also? Example for ratios. Okay, nice. Okay, example for ratio. For example, I want to find out the, yeah, okay, good. I will explain that one quickly. Ratio data is the, for example, I want to find out the area of the particular image. I want to find out the area of the particular image. So here length and breadth is the, for finding the area we need length and breadth. So length may be changes and breadth may be changes. We don't have any interval between the length and breadth. It may be 0 or it may be 1 or it may be 2 or it may be 3 like that. It may be any value. Breadth also it may be any value. So like that in the length and breadth we don't have any interval. So based on the length and breadth vary we are getting the area value. So like that, that is the example of the ratio. Yes, coming to the brief introduction about the all the thing I will explain. So categorical data means already we have something categorized. We need to separate into the categories. If you take the gender male or female, we have two categories male or female. Or if you take the student or faculty, there are two categories. Or if you take the job role, developer or tester or any other person or coding person or manager like that, we need to categorize into the developer, tester, manager or team leader like that you can separate it. So if you this is about the categorical data. Coming to the numerical data, in the numerical data we are getting the continuous values. We don't have any fixed values. We are getting the continuous values. So that is about the numerical data. So in the numerical data interval means the data which is having the particular interval. For example, if you take the time, so time having the something fixed interval, fixed intervals. So 6:30 to 6:35 means 5 minutes. 5 minutes means into 60 seconds. Like that, 1 minute means 60 seconds. Like that, first particularly interval is available. So that's why interval the fixed time difference. And the ratio means we don't have any interval. It is getting the regular values. That is about. Yes, work done between the two persons is. Next one. So what I explained here I wrote here. Structured data is the organized format and semi-structured data and organized unstructured data. So what is the categorical data? All like I wrote here. So after completion, I will post in the I will send in the GitHub link and go through it and check it. Yes, so this is about the interval data. What is interval data? So age is also interval. So how much is 25, 26, 27 like that. And temperature also 36, 35 like that. You have the temperature range. And the ratio data that is not having the any interval data. So that is starting from either 0 or any other value. So like that you have some data. So here what is machine learning and why machine learning? What is your thinking in the any idea about the machine learning? So what is the use of machine learning? Is to train the machine. It is a scientific study of algorithm. Okay, automation, prediction. Okay, why the machine learning? So one is the prediction, automation, predict the future based on the past experience. Yes, very good. This is the good 100% good point. Nice. Meghana, good. Predict the future based on the past experience. So based on the previous data, we understand the now. Yes, very good. Based on the previous data, we can understand the now. Okay, nice. Any other? Why machine learning? What is the need of machine learning or otherwise? If you have any idea, you can tell me, or otherwise I will explain the why it is needed and what is the important where we are using machine learning all the like that. We can update our technology to further generation. Okay, to reduce the human work. Okay, good point. To reduce human work. Okay. Next one, data analysis. Yes, very good point. Data analysis. ML gives computers the ability to learn. Okay. Yes, any other points? Why the machine learning? What is the work efficiency? Okay, good point. Work efficiency. Yes, another point, save our time. Okay, I will try to write here, no problem. Save time, good. Reduce the waste of time. Okay, same, reduce waste of time. Okay, nice. Thinks our mind in machine way. Okay, nice. Yes, any other answers? User to process large value. Yes, good. Use large value of data. Yes. Learn something from the past. Okay, nice. Learn something from the past. And to manipulate the large data. Yes, very good. I already wrote here. And the machines makes their own decisions. Okay. Whenever you learn or you teach the particular machine based on their knowledge, they may take the decisions. Okay, good. So present day we are using the robots. So what is the use of robots in our industry? What is the use of robots in our industry? To reduce the rate of errors. Yes, very good point. reduce the work to make job easier. That's very good. Reduce the human work and human loss to easy work to make your work fast to make fast work. Yes, doing repeated work with the more efficiency. Yes, very good point. This is all are good. So coming to this one. And the machine learning has been used in the several places like the self-driving, Google Plus, the online recommendation engines. Yes, very good. These are the applications of the machine learning. Already they are using in the repetitive works. Yes. I will explain one example. For example, I want to do the one particular person with the repetition work. For example, one in the industry, they are creating the something what application we are taking. Yes, I got it. For example, I want to form the one 5-star chocolates. So after creating the cream, I need to insert into the cover. So if you take the human, always he insert into the cover is after inserting the 10 or 100 chocolates into the cover, they lose their energy. They lose their energy whenever one particular person want to repeat the same work in number of times, then at particular point they must and should lose their energy. So for that purpose we are going to the robots or any other machines. For the repeating work is the main problem for the any human. మనమైనా కానీ ఒక రిపీట్ వర్క్ ని చేయమంటే ఎన్నిసార్లు చేస్తాం సార్ అదే వర్క్ ని అంటాం. సో బికాస్ దట్ ఈస్ ద బ్రెయిన్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ ఆన్ ద రిపీటింగ్ వర్క్ అండ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఒకే వర్క్ మీద చేసినా కానీ బ్రెయిన్ అనేది కూడా డ్యామేజ్ అవ్వచ్చు ఆర్ బోరింగ్ ఎస్ టు ఆటోమేటిక్ బోరింగ్ టాస్క్. ఓకే అంటే బోరింగ్ ఒకే టాస్క్ ని మనం చేయాలి అన్నా కానీ బోరింగ్ గా ఫీల్ అవుతాం. So for reducing the energy loss and boring purpose, we are forming or we are creating the robots into the particular work. So that is the main important. So same way for the prediction of the future, we are using the machine learning and for the reducing the time taken by the user. For example, if you take the one scientist, they may take the number of days to predict the particular value or particular any other thing. So if you give the same values to the machine, they completed within the some seconds only. So that is the use of robots and also machine learning. Yes, these are the some points I wrote here. Okay, these are the some points. High dimensional. So some students said that for the large number of data, we need machines. Evaluation in technology. So which is better, which is not better. So for that purpose, we are using the machine learning and reduces overload. To reduce the, for example, 10% work one machine can do. 10% work one machine can do. So for reducing the overload or anything purpose, we are using the machine learning. Next one is the saves the time and money. For reducing the time and money, we are using the machine learning. So these are the key points already what you posted in the chat box. Next, coming to the what is the statement of the machine learning and everything you will see here. So machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence, so that provides the system ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience without being any explicitly programmed. So it is the application of artificial intelligence. So machine learning is the one step to go to the artificial intelligence. So one student forced that Google driving car. So that is not a machine learning application. So but that is the application of the artificial intelligence. So driving cars is the not a machine learning related. So it is the related to the AI, artificial intelligence. Yes, good. So for doing the artificial intelligence, we must and should one step is the machine learning. So if you want to go to the if you want to complete the artificial intelligence application, first we need to know the or we need to learn the machine learning. So that is the application of the artificial intelligence. So that is learned from the first, and it predict the what is the future and what is the present trending. So that is about the machine learning. What is machine learning? What you posted in the chat box, I wrote same thing here. So for your clarity purpose, I will. So the main is the AI is the very advanced technology. So deep learning is the one of the part in the machine learning. You can say that the one of the part in the machine learning. So for your clarity purpose, I will explain the what is the difference between deep learning and machine learning and why you are going to the different application. So 1 minute. So up to now, I didn't post this slides. After completion of the presentation, I will post by the today itself. So if you observe that this is the AI artificial intelligence application. If you want to do the artificial intelligence application, we need to know the predictive analysis and deep learning. This is related to the machine learning concept and speech. So that is related to the text to speech or speech to text. If you observe in the if you speak, it automatically open the settings. Then it automatically open the settings. So like that, it is the speech recognition or speech to text or speech. And the next one is the vision. So what is the image recognition or like machine vision? So that is under the vision point. And the language processing and expert system and the planning and optimization and the robotics. So these are all under the application of the artificial intelligence. So in the artificial intelligence point of view, so machine learning is also one of the application of one of the part of the artificial intelligence. Yes, both machine learning and deep learning is subset of AI. Yes, yes. Both machine learning and deep learning is a subset of AI. So AI is the one big. So in that one, these are the small points: machine learning and deep learning, and these are the text to speech and expert system. These are the some parts of the artificial intelligence applications. So if you observe here, so this is the AI image, and in the AI image, we are predicting deep learning, text to speech. These are the some parts of the artificial intelligence. Yes. Next one is the what are the applications of the machine learning. So nowadays, all in daily life, we are using the machine learning without knowing the our concepts. So examples of Google Map and Google Assistants, Alexa. So these are the examples of some examples of the machine learning. So next I will provide the lot of applications. I will explain the one by one. So image recognition. So where you see the image recognition. Any idea? Any apps or any softwares used the image? You observe the image recognition. Yeah, very good. Yes. Okay, image recognition is used in the cameras. If you see that, if you want to take the selfie, it automatically recognize your face and tell the age. Tell the age. Yes, online exams in our mobile face recognition. Mobile, if you want to open the lock, it displays the uh, mobile recognition. And next one is the main application in the Facebook. Facebook. If you want to post the your friend's image into the Facebook, or post the, if you want to post the your group photo into the post, it automatically recommended the these are the persons are available in the group photo if you want to tag or not. So like that, it suggests the something, or it automatically tag the but particular person into the tag. So like that, it is the most application into the Facebook and Google Lens and FaceLock. Yes, these are all are correct. Google Photos also. Yes, so previously Google also added the. Yes, email spam yes, email spam classification. Google Photos. Google Photos also after completion of the one model. So these are the 1 year ago photos, or these are the 2 years ago photos. So these are their friends. Like that, it created the video and it also suggests the something photos also. Next one is the speech recognition. So this is the gather and organization data to the work with, is build and test the specific predictive model and use the model to recognize, yes, images. Yes, Google Translator, Siri, Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa. So these are related to the speech recognition. Hi, hello, how are you? So it automatically recognizes the our words. Yeah, Cortana. So it recognizes the our words and it converted into the their languages. Or it want, if you want to display in the English language, it automatically displays like that. And if you want to convert it into other languages, it automatically converted. So it is the main application in the world. All are using, maximum all are using the Cortana, Alexa, like that, all are using the speech recognition application in the world. Next one is the traffic prediction. So where we are using the traffic prediction. So I will try to zoom it better. Yes, maps. So traffic prediction. For example, I want to travel from one place to another place. For example, I want to travel from Vijayawada to another Vijayawada to Kakinada. I want to go with the Vijayawada to Kakinada. So to the our destination displays the different ways to reach destination. There are ways and how much time to reach the particular place, and at any point you have any and traffic signals is available, red signal or any traffic, how the traffic is available. So it will take it tests all the possibilities of the traffic. So like that it shows as this area has more traffic, yes, high traffic, red color. So like that it tests all the data. So that is the use of machine learning into the traffic predictions. Next one is the product recommendations, where you observe this application. Yes, shopping Amazon, yes, Flipkart, and Amazon ads. Okay, good. Flipkart, YouTube, yes, YouTube, Google Ads, online shopping, YouTube videos. Yes, very good. So I think all of you observed that if you see the some videos in the YouTube, for example, I am searching for always Python or machine learning or any other videos related to the courses. If you see in the any Google related website, it automatically shows that particular related website advertisements into the any Google applications. For example, I search in the Google what are the what are the certificates are available on machine learning. I searched in the Google. So whenever you open the YouTube or whenever you open the any other Google products, it automatically displays that particular related ads on that particular products. So otherwise, I search the mobiles. So what are the best mobiles, MI or Apple or any other mobiles? I try to buy the any mobile in the I search for the any mobile in the Google. It automatically recommended or display the advertisements into the all the products. For example, if I saw the something related the videos, okay, on the next time it recommended videos are these videos. So like that it displays the particular data. And if you buy the mobile, it automatically recommended the screen card or any temper glasses or any pouches, like that it automatically below it displays the all the related mobile related things, like that it displays in the product recommendation. For example, I buy the t-shirt. So I want to buy the t-shirt. I am searching for the t-shirt in the Flipkart. It automatically below in the recommendations. So these are the related your products. So if you want to buy that, if you click on this here and you can see here. So like that it displays like that. So I think all of you observed in the these sources. Yes, are you observing the like that? Yes, good. Yeah, nice. Next one, email spam detection. So if you open the email, there are different types of categories, either in inbox and spam mails or something, what are the ways? Social promotions, star messages, or and next one is the spam mails tag. So there are the track mails, so like promotions, social, there are the different types of class categories is there. Based on the your mail, it categorize or it forum draft. So these are the different ways, different categories of the mails. So based on your data, it mostly either social or either forum arms, either promotions or either inbox. It automatically categorizes and post into the particular categories. So that is the email spam detection. Next one is the online fraud detection. Online fraud detection. So we are in the daily life, we are transferring the money from one person to another persons, or or for the college purpose, we are transferring from the one account to another account. So like that. So from our account, so any fraud or any unwanted or any other person transaction is done, it automatically find out by using the online fraud detections. Next one is the self-driving car. So already one student posted. So self-driving car is the one of the main application of the artificial intelligence. So for the completion of the artificial intelligence application, but we need self-driving car is Tesla AMG. And the stock market tracking. So this is the main headache for the any person. So stock market. So today increases, today may increases. After 1 hour it may decreases. So tomorrow it may increases or decreases. So it every day it automatically changing the stock market percentages. So for the prediction of the stock market, so machine learning is the very important to the predicting the or categorizing the our data. So stock market is the main headache. So if you go to the marketing, must and should know about the stock market tracking. So based on the your investment, based on your investment amount, so we need to track the stock market and invest the money. And medical diagnosis. So what where you can use the medical diagnosis in the machine learning means like chatbots, MG robots. Okay. So for what purpose machine learning used in the medical diagnosis? Yes. Detection of the cancer or cancer diagnosis. Yes. Any other answers? Arogya. Okay, good. Disease prediction system. Yes. Analysis of the BP. Okay, good. Yes, I will explain one example. Now we are facing now also. So for example, corona, I tested for the corona. So but I got the some values in the, if you test for the corona, if you got the what is the temperature and what is the other values and what is the your health condition or how the your breath and how the your BP, like that there are the different values we are getting after the the corona test. So based on these data, so particular person having corona or not, or particular person having corona cancer or not, or particular person or any health issue like that. So based on the some inbuilt data, we can say that the particular person having the particular any disease or not, you can say that by using the some medical issues. Next, automatic language translation. So I think all of you know about this one, language translation purpose. For example, I want to translate from the English to Hindi or English to Telugu or Telugu to English or Telugu to another Hindi language or any other languages. Yes, Google Translator is the one of the most example for the automatic language translation. Yes, so that is, these are the examples of the application of the machine learning. Yes, next come back to the traditional programming language and the machine learning programming language. So what is the difference between traditional programming language and the machine learning programming language? So the main difference between the traditional programming and machine learning is in the traditional language, for example, I want to write the programming, find out the whether the given number or whether the given number is a prime number or not. So what are the inputs here? So in the computer programming language, numbers, and we are writing the code condition for the finding the either prime number or not. Yes, the input is the number, and here condition is the program. So we are writing the condition, and we are giving input to the that particular condition or program. So then we can get the either particular number is a prime number or a not. We can get the particular output. But in the machine learning, we are giving the input, and output. We are giving the input and output. It getting the what is the relation between the input and output. For example, I am giving the 1 1, 2 4, 3 6, 4 8. So what is the relation between these numbers? 1 1, 1 1, 2 4, 3 9, 4 16. So like that I provided the 1 2 3 4. These are the inputs. 2 4 9 16. These are the outputs. So the relation between the inputs and outputs is the square. So what we are getting in the machine learning means we are getting the condition in the machine learning output. So whenever we know the condition, then we can get the then we can predict the future values. So that's why in the machine learning we are providing the input values and output values. For example, if we take the one kid, how to tell the particular this is related to apple? How can we say that, or how to tell the this is related to apple? We are taking the one apple, derivative physical apple as color and shape. So we are taking the one physical apple, and we can say, so if you have red color, and if you have love symbol, and if you have like that, then this is related to the apple. So here we are telling that the properties. So love symbol and red color, and this is the 100 grams, like that, and taste also. If you want to in the our point of view, are taking the taste also. So if you have something taste, so this is related to the apple. సో ఈ విధంగా మనకి ఒక కిటికీ మనం ఎలా అయితే నేర్పిస్తామో, అంటే వాటి యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ చెప్పి ఇది యాపిల్ అని ఎలా అయితే దాన్ని ట్రైన్ చేస్తామో, అలాగనే మెషిన్ కూడా వీఆర్ ఆల్సో ట్రైన్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్ by using the some properties. So in the machine learning, we are giving input and also we are giving the output. So that is the difference between the traditional programming and machine learning programming. Yes, so this is the one image how the kid learn the what is standing or walking, how to they learn from the different. So like that also machine also learn from the these things. So we are see if you observe the reading read lines. So we are seeing that. So this is mouse, mouse, mouse. This is fan, fan, fan. So this is the go, 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 goat, not. So we are seeing that this is it and output. We are training the seeing both input and output. So like that, we are also train the machine learning by using both providing the inputs and outputs. Next one is the types of machine learning. So there are the three types of machine learning: supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning and reinforcement machine learning. So these are the three categories or three types of the machine learning. So I will explain now each and every one by one. So this is the image of the classification. So machine learning is classified into the three categories. So one is the supervised machine learning. This is the supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning and reinforcement machine learning. And we'll see one by one. Is supervised machine learning. So for the supervised machine learning, we need to give the labeled data. Labeled data means we need to give the both input data and output data. For example, if you are going to the colleges, they train the faculty members train the subjects both inputs and outputs. They tell the question and they also tell the what is the answer for the question also. So like that also in the supervised machine learning, if you want to train the machine learning, if we train the machine, we need to provide the labeled data. Labeled data means we need to give the both input data and the output data. So that is about the supervised machine learning. So in the supervised machine learning, we can see the what are the examples of the supervised machine learning. And in the supervised machine learning, we are getting the some applications. One is the risk assessment, and the next one is the image classification, and another one is the fraud detection and the filtering, spam filtering. So risk assessment. For example, I want to do the one work. So is it how that particular task is risk to me, or how the risk how the affected that particular task on me? అంటే ఎంత రిస్క్ అనేది మనకి పడుతుంది, ఎంత కష్టపడాలి దానికి అనేది ఆ విధంగా మనకి అసెస్మెంట్ చేయడానికి చెప్పడానికి యూజ్ చేసేది రిస్క్ అసెస్మెంట్. Next one is the image classification. So image classification. So I have the different types of images. So is it related to which class, which person? So I have totally 5 students or 5 friends. So I need to classify the 5 student images, 5 image classification and fraud detection. So particular transaction is frauded or unfrauded. Spam filter. So is it the spam is is the mail is spammed or not is spammed? So like that. So you can see the different types of applications in the supervised machine learning. So coming to the what is the difference between the and how many ways our supervised machine learning is available, you can see here. So I want to okay, no problem. Yes, next one is the I want to buy the one or I want to take the one house in the either Bangalore or Hyderabad or any Vijayawada. So is it house price is related to continuous values or classification value? So I want to find out the house price of the particular Bangalore or Hyderabad or any Vijayawada or any other places. So is it related to continuous value or any classification value? Okay. Yeah, I got the continue, and the classification. So I got the mixed answers. So it is related to the continuous values, because if you consider the Vijayawada city in the bench circle or in the nearer to the bus stand or railway station, the cost of price, it may increases or it may decreases. Sir, if you take the center of the Vijayawada city, it may increases. So the cost of the house changes from one places to the another place. So we can't say that. So particular railway station, how for the nearer to the railway station, 5,000 is the 5,000 is the house price, or 10,000 is the house price at the bus stand, or 15,000 is the house price at the bench circle or center of the Vijayawada. We are not saying we are not classifying that. So we are predicting the value at the particular place based on their properties or based on their facilities. If they provided the 2-star or 3-star building, or they provided the both AC and the sofas, or like that, they provided the more facilities, then the house price also more. So based on some properties, it may increases or it may decreases. So that's why house price prediction is the continuous values or continue changing value. So I think it is clear. So who tell classification? So that is the your doubt clarification purpose. Yeah, Lakshmi, and yeah, okay, good. Yes, coming to the, yeah, thank you. Good. Next one is this application. So there are the 3 flowers is available: Versicolor, Virginica, Setosa. These are the 3 flowers. So based on this, some values. What are the values? Sepal length, petal. So here we can observe the petal and the sepal. So based on this sepal and petal values, I need to classify that particular image is related to, or particular flower is related to Versicolor or Virginica or Setosa. We can say the based on this sepal and petal values. So is it related to classification or regression? So here based on this sepal and petal values, I need to tell the particular flower is Versicolor, Virginica, Setosa. Yes, it is related to the classification. Yes, very good. Classification. So because we have 3 categories: Versicolor, Virginica, Setosa. So based on this sepal and petal, we are categorizing into the 3 categories. Yeah, okay. Good, I will explain. Yes. Surely I will explain. Next one is, yes, next one is the non-apples, and these are the apples. So I learn the model, or I learn the kid. So I show the apple, different types of apples. So Simla apple and Araku apples. So there are the different types of apples is available. So based on all the apples, I learn the kid too. So this is, if we have some white color, some red color, this is also related to the apple. If you have all the red color, so it is also related to the apple. Like that, I will train the kid to like that. So after trying the kit, I will show the another apple. So I am asking, so is it related to apple or not? So for the testing the kit, we are taking the another fruit and we are testing the kit. So like that, in the machine learning also, we need to train the model. After train the model, we need to test the machine also. So that is the another step we need to follow. Next, some persons ask what is the regression and yes, change for the wrong prediction, sir. Yes. So based on the your previous data or based on the past data you give to the machine, if the data is perfect, then you can get the perfect output. If the data is not a perfect format or not a perfect values, then you can get the wrong values. That is the based on the previous data or past data only our present prediction values effective. Next, another example for the picture are in the matrix form. Why is it? Are you asking in the slide or in the general image point of view? So actually, I type the classification. No mistake. Okay. General. Okay. So if you see the our machine or our laptop or our machine always understood the zeros and ones language. I think all of you all knows. Yes, I will show. No problem. In general, every machine understands the our zeros and ones language. So in the background, our image, each and every color having the one value. Each and every color having the one value. So based on the color, it forms as a one matrix. It forms as a one matrix. Why a matrix format means for our understanding purpose, they some persons created so or some persons wrote the like format like that. So for each and every color having the something values. If you take the green color, it having the something 120 color or 120 number 150 195 like that particular value is available. So based on that values, it after converting to after for matrix point of view, this is the sRGB values. So this is understanding for the users. After creating into the matrix, it automatically converted into the zeros and ones for the machine learning understanding purpose. So that is the your answer. Next, coming to the prediction examples. So prediction is the it is the relation between the input and output, and it is changing from one point to another point, For example, what is the temperature? What is the temperature present? What is the temperature present? For example, 25 degrees. For example, I asked the same questions in the afternoon. It may be 36. So at the 1 p.m. I asked the what is the temperature. It may 36. So after at the 3 o'clock, I asked the same question, what is the temperature? It may decreases into the 32 degrees. So if it is changing from one time to the another time, yes, it is changing the one time to another time. So that is the continuous values or prediction values. Prediction values. And based on the previous data, I want to predict the after 2 days. After 2 days, what is the how the temperature may be there? అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ 2 days తర్వాత ఎంత టెంపరేచర్ ఉండొచ్చు, లేదంటే ఏదన్నా ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ లో చేంజెస్ రావచ్చు, ఏదన్నా రెయిన్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఏమైనా ఉందా? సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ది పాస్ట్ డేటా వీఆర్ ప్రెడిక్టింగ్ ద ఫ్యూచర్ డేటా. ఆ విధంగా ఒక టైం నుంచి అనదర్ టైం కి మనకు వాల్యూ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటాం అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ది రిగ్రెషన్. ఎస్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? Yeah, okay. What about who asked whatever remaining? Ajay, I think so. Yeah, okay. Okay, good. Yes, coming to the types of the supervised machine learning. So one is the regression. So regression is the one algorithm used for change value changing from one time to another time. And next one is the classification. So for the classifying the values, so we are another type is the classification. So these are the two types of the supervised machine learning. So house price prediction, which is under the which type? House price prediction under the which type? Either regression type or classification. Yes, a regression type. For example, yes, finding the particular student got into the university seat or not. Is it related to which type? If I wrote the, for example, previously conducted their GATE exams or any other, for example, you wrote the GATE exam. So you got the something marks. So based on that marks, you may get into the particular university or not. So is it related to? Yes, classification. For example, I want to join into the IIITs. So based on the my SSC marks, it may possibility to get or not get. So there are the two categories. Seat రావచ్చు or పోవచ్చు. కాబట్టి two categories classification. So category is there. So classification. Yes, good. So that is about the regression. So regression algorithm are used. There are the input variables and output variables. It is used for the prediction of the continuous values. Always we need to predict the continuous values. And classification, we have already some inbuilt classified. We needed to classify into the values based on our values. Main difference between classification and regression. Yes. So the main difference between classification and regression, in the regression, we are getting the continuous values. In the classification, we are classifying. For example, we are all are having laptops. So there are the different companies: Dell, Lenovo, Apple, or any other another laptops are available. So is it related to which? Yes, Asus or Asus. So is it related to your laptop is related to either Dell or either Apple or either Asus. So here we are classifying, we are categorizing our data into different. So that is under the classification. So I will tell one example. For example, I have the student data or student semester marks. I have student semester marks. So coming to the regression, I am applying the student data to the regression algorithms. Then it displays the how much percentage that particular student got. That is the regression output. For example, 30, 20, 35, 45. So these are the 4 marks I provided to the regression. So then I will get the, so 65 percentage is the your percentage. For example, same values I applied to the classification models. Then what will get? Yes, either pass or fail. It shows the either pass or fail, or either class A or class B or class D. So like that, it displays the values. So that is the main difference between regression and classification. In the regression, it is showing the what is the percentage of the student. So in the classification, either particular student is fail or pass. Yes, it is clear. So if you observe here, either yes or no, or male or female, so either pass or fail, or true or false, like this, these are under the classification examples. Good. Yeah, thank you. Next one. So there are the different types of algorithms for the supervised machine learning. So regression, linear regression. Yes, classification is like that, 0 or 1. Regression is like 0, 1, 2, and so on until now. Yes. 0, 0, 0.1, 0, 0.2, and 0. Yes, like that. You can say that. No problem. Yes, linear regression, non-linear regression, and KNN algorithm, logistic regression, support vector mission, decision tree, and decision tree classifier, and a random forest. So these are the different types of algorithms. And what is the what they do? They will do means, if you take the classification, it classify the our data based on the past data. Otherwise, I want to predict the data, or I want to get the what is the future temperature. So for that, these are the different types of the algorithms. So why there are different types of algorithms, I will explain the next class. So if you take the regression classification, it is enough to one algorithm. So if you take the regression, it is enough to one algorithm. If you take the classification, it is enough to the one algorithm. But why we have different types of algorithms, I will explain the next class. Yeah, we are using the existing algorithms, and we are predicting the, based on past data, we are predicting the future data. We are not creating the algorithms. We already inbuilt algorithms we are using. So creating algorithm is very difficult. For example, if you take the NumPy or Pandas libraries, are you creating the NumPy Pandas libraries whenever you use it? No, we are using the, or we are learning the NumPy Pandas what they built in the inbuilt. So like that also, already what are the algorithm we have, we are using the particular algorithm, we are predicting the future. Yes, good. Next one is the unsupervised machine learning. So in the unsupervised machine learning, we don't have the target outputs. So for what purpose we are using the supervised machine learning, or for what data we are using the supervised machine learning? What type of data we are using the supervised machine learning? So I mentioned the one name. Yes, labeled data. Good. So further, if you want to apply the supervised machine learning, the data must and should in the format of the labeled data. Labeled data means it having input and it must and should have the output data, both data only. Then you can train the model of the supervised machine learning. But in the unsupervised machine learning, we don't know the output, but we have input. We don't know the output, but we have the input. So on that time, we are using the unsupervised machine learning. We don't know the output, but we know we need to classify it. So on that time, we can use the unsupervised machine learning. For example, I am expecting the feedback from your side. I am expecting the feedback from your side. I don't know the which feedback we are providing, you are providing. So some student may provide that differently, another student may provide it differently, another student may provide it differently. So based on all the data, we need to classify it. So that is under the unsupervised machine learning. And okay, like that. So these are the examples. I learned these topics in neural networks and physiology in bit. Okay. So the clustering and association, these are the two types. And another example for unsupervised machine learning is after completion of the BTech, no one teach you, or after entering into the any company, no one teach you. So the manager tell that, so learn the Python. So that is the instruction passed from the manager. So then we can't go to the any other organization for the learning. So you want to sit in the company and you want to learn the any other technologies, then you only learn and you only find out the any mistakes, or you are the self learner. ఎవరు అక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి మీకు వచ్చి ఇది పలానా యాపిల్ అని ఎవరు చెప్పరు, మీరే ఆ యాపిల్ చూడాలి. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ది ప్రాపర్టీస్ ని బట్టి ఓహో ఇది యాపిల్ అయి ఉండొచ్చు అని, లేదంటే ఇఫ్ యు టేక్ ద బనానా, ఓహో ఇది దిస్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద బనానా. లైక్ దట్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద that particular output. So that is the under the unsupervised machine learning. So this is the example. So I have the some inputs. So I applied the model. So based on the some properties, it automatically classified into the 3 classes. So we don't know the how many classes also. So that is the unsupervised machine learning. So whenever we don't know the target, then you can apply the unsupervised machine learning. So if you know the target, then you can go to the supervised machine learning. Okay. So last steps. So these are the some examples. So in the first image, one faculty member is there. They are teaching the, so this is apple, this is banana, this is something another fruit. So like that they are teaching. So if the color is the red color, that is we are categorizing into that color. So like that categorizing. So what is the time now? 6:31. Okay. So ML process step. So get the data. మన ఏదైనా కానీ ఒక ఫిట్ కానీ ఎవరికైనా కానీ ట్రైన్ చేయాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఒక డేటా అనేది కావాలి. డేటా అంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక యాపిల్ డేటా, యాపిల్ తీసుకున్నాను అనుకో, యాపిల్ ఈస్ ద డేటా. సో టేక్ ద యాపిల్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ మిస్టేక్స్, అంటే యాపిల్ అనేది నీకు తెలియకపోతే మనకు తెలిసేటట్టు తెలుసుకొని దాన్ని ట్రైన్ చేయాలి. ఆ విధంగా క్లీన్ అండ్ ప్రిపేర్ అండ్ మ్యానిపులేట్ ద డేటా. ఇక్కడ క్లీన్ ఎటువంటి మిస్టేక్స్ ఏం లేకుండా ట్రైన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏదైనా కానీ కరెక్ట్ గానే చెప్పాలి. ఏదైనా మిస్టేక్స్ అనేది చెప్పకూడదు. మిస్టేక్ చెప్పినప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే అతను నేర్చుకుంటాడు. అతను వెళ్ళి వేరే వాళ్ళకి చెప్తాడు. అప్పుడు అన్ని మిస్టేక్స్ గానే ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి ఎప్పుడైనా ట్రైన్ చేసేటప్పుడు మోడల్‌ని ఎప్పుడైనా గాని కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద క్లీన్ అండ్ ప్రిపేర్. So next one, train the model. So train the kit. After that, test the kit. So particular kit is correctly learned or not. Next one is the any errors. You can improve the errors. So these are the 5 steps follow in the machine learning. So these are the same steps. So collect the data, prepare the data, train the model, evaluate, and employ and deploy. సో ట్రైన్ చేయాలి. ట్రైన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏదైనా మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా చూడాలి. ఏదైనా మిస్టేక్స్ ఉంటే వాటిని మళ్ళీ రెక్టిఫై చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయాలి. ఓవర్ ఫిట్టింగ్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఫిట్టింగ్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ టుమారో, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఎస్. సో ప్రీవియస్లీ this answer is no, but this answer is yes. So I can learn everything automatically from experience. Can you learn? So one human asking to the machine. So in the past date, the machine answer is no, but the machine answer is no. Yes, I can also learn from the past data with the help of the machine learning. So our technology is increasing. So whatever the human can do, so all are do by the machine also. Are there any shared GitHub or WhatsApp? Okay, please share. Examples, yes. Power requirement. So power requirement, is it related to classification or regression? Power requirement. So everyone or every house now is now connected to the power. So power requirement, is it related to classification or regression? Okay. Yes, any other answers? Okay. 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 So I asked one question, but your the question is understanding in different way. Yes, some answer tell that the classification, person ask tell the regression. Both are correct. Some based on the categories. So if we consider the categories on the low power consumption, high power consumption, or any medium power consumption. So if you consider like that, power consumption is under the classification. If you want to how much power you are using from one month to another month, that is related to the regression. Okay, very good. Corona or not, so that is also classification. Yes, short size prediction. So is it related to classification or regression? Short size prediction. Yes, okay. Yes, okay, good. Yeah, both classification and regression based on the your understanding purpose. So if you consider the small size, large size, very large size, Excel also, like that, if you consider that point of view, short size prediction is under the classification. So if you want to find out the in the centimeter, so based on your height and weight, so what is the your short size, either 25 or 36 or 97, like that. So if you consider like that, that is under the prediction. So good. So data. So we want to apply the machine learning. So first we need to data. So there are the two ways to get the data. One is the research research and get the data. For example, I want to work on the one thing. For example, I want to take the one mission. So that mission, so how the particular mission is affecting from the past days. So go to the mission and research on the mission and get the data. That is the one point. Another point is already some existing data is available. So that is available in the Kaggle. So that is the one website. And another one is the in the pandas. Already we in the machine learning we already inbuilt data sets is available. You can use these inbuilt data sets. So there are the two ways. If you want to research or any particular mission or particular area, you can research and get the data. That is the one way. Or otherwise, if you want to take the input data, these are the two ways to get the data. So that is about the introduction about the machine learning. So from tomorrow onwards, we will see the programming point of view. So is it clear up to now? Any doubts? Oh, sorry, 9 minutes delayed. So from tomorrow onwards, I will try to take in time. So 6:30 we will close it, no problem. Yeah, clear. Good. Yeah, okay. So what about remaining? Can you please? Yeah, clear. So thank you. Okay. Rajan, okay, Jaffer. Okay, I will upload in the. Okay, okay. Wait, I will. Yeah, again, I am posting the link in chat box. Who joined late, please go to that link. Is okay. Yeah, already Munendra posted in that link in chat box. So in this workshop, we are going to the regulation, supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. So in the unsupervised machine learning, we will explain the what is the difference between clustering and remaining. And we will update the Slack channel link in the GitHub link. So GitHub link is the most important in the 9 days. So all are updated in the GitHub link, either videos links or either materials or either PPTs or either any Slack channel, either any your data, all are available in the GitHub link. So try to bookmark your GitHub link into your laptops. And my one point is, so all of you download the Jupyter notebook, Anaconda software into your laptops for the next section. All of you download the Anaconda software and install the Anaconda software into your laptop for the tomorrow sections. I think all the Anaconda software is available in our system. So if you don't have Anaconda software, try to download for the next section. Yeah, good. Yes, it is sufficient. Yes, this is about the today's section. So if you don't have any doubts, so you can